We have a new arrival at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1961 Chevrolet Corvette, custom built, Paul Newman chassis, LS swap, loaded with options, ice cold air, rack and pinion, four-wheel independent, suspension, house of color, candy apple red, lots of chrome, polished aluminum, billet, big drilled, slotted four-wheel disc brakes. The high dollar restoration. Love this car. This thing is nice. Located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. Four-link independent suspension. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video. Help us grow our business. This is an amazing car. A lot of money spent on it. Just so nicely done. It's all the chrome, the trim. It's all done up. Different lighting, the color of the car changes. It's absolutely beautiful. If you'd like to fly in, check this out in person. More than happy to pick you up from the airport. Lambert Airport, St. Louis International Airport, they're one and the same. More than happy to pick you up. Forward us your flight itinerary. Up, take you to one of our 3 warehouses full of classic cars, take it out for a drive, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. We have great financing. You do not need all the money, usually 10% down, get you in the car of your dreams. We can arrange transportation as a courtesy service anywhere in the world. So no matter where you live, we can get you the car. We just delivered last year to the North Pole. Yes, the North Pole. It's an amazing car. 1,616 miles on the restoration. So it's been driven, enjoyed a little bit, but still, just an amazing car. 4-speed automatic. Fun car to drive. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. We have great terms, great rates. Usually said 10% down. With some credit, you can be driving. Car of your dreams. What's not to love? Ice cold air. Just so nicely and tastefully done. Does have a white top. There'll be 100+ pictures online. www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. Again, my name is Mark. Be more than happy to answer any questions you got. Just pick up the phone, call. That's the fastest way. If you want, you can shoot an email through our website. We do have, like I said, financing on the website. Just hit the financing and take you to the link. It's a direct lending, so they'll just go from our website to their website. So any information that you provide will be directly with the lender. Usually it's about 24-hour turnaround, sometimes less. So things happen fast. And as paid It's like looking into a mirror. Just a great running, strong running car. Again, pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. My name is Mark, and this is on a custom Paul Newman chassis. High dollar frame, 4-wheel, independent suspension, 4-speed automatic, LS power, billet chrome, polished aluminum, coated digital gauges. Just, man, what's not to like about this? Again, www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. Call us.